This is overview of the LEGO Technic Anthem. I don't want to talk very loud, so I'm going to put my face really close to the camera. Hope you don't mind. So, with the actual Mack Anthem, tired sit as of the filming. And yeah, that's given. It's got steering, but like literally a technic set. There's actually a pretty big turn radius. It's got a decorated interior. Can't see it because it's dark. Don't want to go and turn the lights on. Steering wheel also does steer, but you know, I just don't want to open stuff. Second door. Works just as fine. Got that dual exhaust. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. The actual truck itself has 6 wheels. So, pretty nice. It has an inline 6. MP8 inline 6 or something. I don't know. Don't know. Got the silver trim finish because it's silver trim finish and it's pretty nice, It's got that Mack logo and the bulldog. Headlights, stickers. Discontinued Technic figures, so yeah. It does have a license plate in the back. And some mud flaps. It does have the 5th wheel. It does function. So fun. That 5th wheel is used to attach the trailer. This thing is just chunky, man. I'm like, bruh. Look at this thing. It's bigger than the freaking truck. By like a lot. But the truck has more pieces, so I don't really mind. So, get this little container. It can fit stuff. Does open. Pretty nice. Sticker, package detailing. Chains to hold on to a shipping container while shipping, and it is controlled by these knobs. I had to use a couple of replacement parts, like a gray piece over here and a lighter gray piece over there, and this piece is bent, so I'm gonna make a small demonstration of how this thing lifts up. Oh yeah, these things for support. Now it does work, and it is roughly about the size of the fire truck. So that's nice. So you get how that works. Pretty basic. Not pretty basic, it's technic stuff. So, pretty nice. And the kingpin down here can actually fit onto the 5th wheel. Truck knowledge. So I'm going to go ahead and coordinate that right here. Got it. Supports. Deactivated. And we're ready to literally ram people. Don't throw it off the camera because I'm driving this on the counter. I kind of don't want it to fall off. So here, pretty nice shot. Bright lights, you mean? Totally.